up? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, today I'm gonna make for you a healthy drink. So to start off, I have my flaxseed right here. Very good, very rich in fiber, help with your cholesterol, help with high blood pressure. It's really good, really healthy. Now, if you want to check out how I made my Irish mash, you can go back to my previous video and you can check it out. So this is my Irish mash, and today I'm going to make Irish mash and flaxseed smoothie for you. Very healthy, very nice. So right here I have a little bit more than a tablespoon of Irish mash. Here I have some flaxseed, about a tablespoon and a little bit of strawberries, one ripe banana, and I'm going to use some water. So let's go ahead. I'm going to pour some water in, about that for now. I'm going to go ahead and add my flaxseed. Then I'm going to add my Irish mash. Then I'm going to pour in my bananas. And then my strawberries. Right now I'm just going to add a little bit of thyme, just to give it a little bit more color and flavor. I'm adding a little bit of thyme to it. And you want to blend away. So guys, that should do it. Woo. And that's the end result, all creamy and nice, smooth. I'm gonna pour some in. This is the final result. It's very good. As I say, the flaxseed has lots of fiber, good for your immune system, help with your cholesterol, your high blood pressure. And the Irish mash, it has antioxidant. It's good for your immune system, help to cleanse your colon. It gives you smooth skin, good for cancer, for high blood pressure, for diabetes. Guys, please try this. It's really healthy. Mwah, mwah, mwah. One love, put God first, and be blessed. Thanks for watching. Bye.